12 healthiest green vegetables and beans. Consuming plenty of dark, leafy greens is crucial for good health. They are low in calories while being high in fiber and other beneficial nutrients. Eating a diet high in leafy greens has been linked to a lower risk of obesity, heart disease, high blood pressure, and cognitive decline, among other benefits. But before we move forward, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel. 12. Kale. Because it has a lot of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, kale is often called one of the healthiest vegetables in the world. Raw kale contains 134% of the RDA for vitamin C and 206% of the RDA for vitamin A in 67 grams. Antioxidants like lutein, carotenoids, and beta-carotene found in it protect against degenerative conditions brought on by free radical damage. Cooking kale destroys many of the vitamins and minerals it naturally has, so the best way to get all of its health benefits is to eat it raw. 11. Microgreens. Microgreens are young plants grown from vegetable and herb seeds. They range in size from 1 to 3 inches. Though they've mostly been used as a garnish or decoration since the 1980s, they are incredibly versatile. While they may be diminutive in stature, they pack a nutrient-rich, flavorful, and vibrant punch. Researchers have found that microgreens can have up to 40 times the nutrient content of their full-grown counterparts. The vitamins C, D, and K are just a few examples of these essential nutrients. 10. Broccoli. It resembles cauliflower in structure due to its large flower head and stem. In one serving, raw broccoli contains 135% of the daily value for vitamin C and 116% of the daily value for vitamin K, making it a nutrient-dense vegetable. It's also rich in calcium, folate, phosphorus, and fiber. When it comes to the plant compound sulforaphane, which may improve your bacterial gut flora and reduce your risk of cancer and heart disease, broccoli is the king of the cabbage family. Furthermore, sulforaphane may ameliorate autism symptoms. 9. Collard greens. Similar to kale and spring greens, collard greens are a type of loose leaf green. Their thick, slightly bitter leaves are a distinctive feature. The texture is somewhere between kale and cabbage. In fact, the word colewort, from which they get their name, refers to the wild cabbage plant. Calcium, vitamin A, vitamin B9, and vitamin C are all easily absorbed from collard greens. They are also a great choice if you're looking for a leafy green that's high in vitamin K. A single serving of cooked collard greens contains 1,045% of the daily value for vitamin K. Blood clotting is facilitated by vitamin K also. Its potential to enhance bone health is the subject of expanding investigation. 8. Spinach. As a versatile leafy green, spinach can be added to a wide range of dishes, from soups and sauces to smoothies and salads. 1 cup of raw spinach contains 181% of the daily value for vitamin K, 56% of the DV for vitamin A, and 13% of the DV for manganese, making it a nutrient powerhouse. Folate, which is found in large amounts in this food, is important for making red blood cells and preventing neural tube birth defects during pregnancy. Eating spinach is a great alternative to prenatal vitamins for pregnant women who want to increase their folate levels. 7. Cabbage. Cabbage is made up of groups of large, varied colored leaves that can be green, white, or purple. Like broccoli, kale, and Brussels sprouts, it is a member of the Brassica family. They have a bitter taste due to the glucosinolate content, which is unique to this plant family. Animal studies show that this substance may help prevent cancer, especially lung and esophageal cancer. In addition to its many other uses, cabbage is also useful because it can be fermented into sauerkraut, which has many positive effects on health, including facilitating digestion and bolstering the immune system. 6. Green beets. Beets have been touted as a healthy food choice since at least the Middle Ages. It's true that they have great nutrition, but while beets are often used in cooking, the leaves are often forgotten. Unfortunately, they are also high in dietary fiber, vitamin A, and vitamin K and can be consumed. In just 1 cup, cooked beet greens provide 220% of the daily value for vitamin A, 37% for potassium, and 17% for fiber. 5. Watercress. Watercress is a member of the mustard family Brassicaceae, making it similar to arugula and other water plants. It's been used for centuries because of the belief in its curative powers. Cancer stem cells can be killed by watercress extract, which has been shown to stop cancer cells from growing and spreading and to target cancer stem cells. 4. Romaine lettuce. Common leafy green romaine lettuce has dark, sturdy leaves and a solid central rib. It's often used in Caesar salads because of its crunchy texture and high profile. One serving provides 82% of the daily value for vitamin A and 60% of the DV for vitamin K. A cup of romaine lettuce contains only 8 calories and 45 grams of water, making it a potentially useful addition to a healthy diet for those who are trying to lose weight. 3. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is distinguished by its dark green leaves and its thick stalk, which can be red, white, yellow, or green. It's related to beets and spinach and is commonly used in Mediterranean cuisine. It's high in potassium, manganese, and vitamins A, C, and K, and it has a savory, earthy flavor. Syringic acid, a unique flavonoid found in Swiss chard, is a compound that may be helpful in controlling blood sugar. 2 small studies with diabetic rats found that taking syringic acid by mouth for 30 days lowered blood sugar. However, human studies supporting this claim are lacking. 2. Arugula. Rocket, colewort, roquette, rucoli, rucola, and arugula are all names for the same leafy green vegetable in the Brassicaceae family. Its mildly peppery flavor and tender, tiny leaves make it a versatile addition to salads and other dishes. It also has medicinal and cosmetic uses. It shares the nutrient density of other greens, including high concentrations of vitamins A, B9, and K. It's also a great way to get the nitric oxide-producing compound nitrates into your diet. 1. Endive. Its texture is curly and crisp, and its taste is nutty and slightly bitter. You can consume it either raw or cooked. Half a cup of raw endive leaves is a good source of vitamin K, 72% of the DV, vitamin A, 11% of the DV, and folate, 9% for an adult. It's a good place to get the antioxidant camphorol, which has shown promise in preventing inflammation and slowing the spread of cancer cells in laboratory settings. Luckily, many varieties of leafy greens are available all year long and can be easily incorporated into your meals in surprising and varied ways. If you enjoyed today's video, then feel free to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel.